They were out in the African bush today, and it's a bit of an overcast day, which is fantastic because Africa needs the rain and so forth. But today I wanted to show you another one of our products that we're introducing, and it's the Galaxy Awning. So it's not the Galaxy, it just clips onto the Galaxy really quick and easy. It's 1.8 meters in length, and it's quick and easy, and we're just going to run through today on how it works. So what we've done is we put the ladder now in the middle, over the bracket in the middle, to help you open the awning. And then you just hop on top, just take the zips on either side and just zip them to the corners. Help the awning out on the one side and do exactly the same on the other side. Just let it roll down, and it's just a matter of dropping the one leg out and dropping the other leg out. Then what I do is I place the one leg back, and all you got to do is you lift that leg up, place it in the hole, make sure that it goes in the hole. From this side, do exactly the same, and this side, place it in the hole. You then just adjust it up on the one side and then on the other side. Now, in no windy conditions, obviously you don't have to peg it, but it is advisable to peg it. And then it's just a matter of pegging it. You secure it. Just adjust it on the buckle, just to give it some tension. And the same on this side. And there we go. In order to close the awning, what I normally do is I just drop the one side down, roll the other side, then pull the pole out, let it go down. The same on this side, with the guide ropes in place to help you. Just unhook the strap. You just let it go down. So with that strap in place, that leg first, bring that leg around. Now you might realize this is a very nice, just simple, lightweight awning solution. I just leave it like that, unhook the hook, keep a little bit of tension. So the strap in the middle, and then start winding it up as tight as possible. We just wind it up and just clip it so that it stays there. You want it to stay there. And then what I do is I just move the bag around the edge nicely and then zip it closed. You can also just hop on here so that you've got a little bit more control, and then close it up, and there we go.